broadcast.
Right now. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bang! Broadcast. Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday, January 30th, 2012. 4 p.m. Eastern. Same bad time, same bad channel. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day, what a doggone day. This was a fighting day. This was a down and dirty day. This was a comeback day. Because as you know, if you listen to last night's broadcast, we were pretty much buying the pullback last night. It was a bullcrap sell-off, in my opinion. It was unjustified. We're in a bull phase. I'm a bear. But I'm a bull right now. And the sell-off, you know, as we said, China not willing to raise rates. Really was no other news. Obviously, the Greek situation, they're still delaying it. Still no deal. So the market got a little tired of pushing itself up ahead. U.S. numbers, not so bad. Personal income, up 0.5. Personal spending at 0. Finally, U.S. consumer saving. Personal consumption expenditure up 0.2%. Hey, that's not deflation. That's pretty good. That's Goldilocks, baby. And as you're looking at the 5-minute S&P chart, last night was here. We still thought we could buy this pullback here. It got pretty ugly. But then, hello. The bull market resumed. And you get the Texas three-step. Texas three-step. Shooting star, bearish engulfing, continuation, and reversal. Should we take this out? That's it. That was the pullback. Notice how we touched the 20 exponential moving average right at support. Bang! Now, we could have pulled back here. We still could pull back here. Aussie dollar came under pressure. Commodity currencies came under pressure, except dollar Canada. GDP tomorrow. I'm looking for a big print, baby. I'm looking for a monster number at a Looney Tune land. Looney is going to fly. Like the wind. Say hello to 99. I freaking love it. Hell yeah. Oh, baby. The pound was relatively strong. Pound Canada. Ready to crack, baby. Monster resistance. I love this trade. Broke the whole uptrend. Coming up to the EMAs. It could be flagging, but it can't break through here. Good Canadian GDP. Euro sterling. We got good numbers coming out tonight. Eurozone. It's really going to be more about the summit being over. The statements. It is pretty incredible that Sarkozy is, and I think it's pretty much a good thing, I guess. I just wish the banks would have done this sooner. I wish governments would have realized this sooner, because the banks now are getting hit with all these rules and regulations. Now they want to tax them more. The time to have taxed them and gotten their bonuses was 2009, 10, and 11. Well, 2010 and 11. Now these guys aren't going to make as much. So the taxes are going to be less. The idiots couldn't pull it together, but now they're going to hit them while they're on the decline with all the new rules. They can't give themselves the big bonuses. Fees are getting cut. Bank profits are getting squeezed by everyone. Facebook squeezed the crap out of Morgan Stanley. They're not even going to make that much. So now is when they're going to be doing it. A little too little, a little too late. But you look at this euro sterling. Yeah, it came in. But again, I think part of the reason, too, there's a scare that Germany, in particular, to bail out Greece, they're fighting over whether or not a commission can be set up to go into Germany and mandate austerity measures, thus violating the country's sovereignty. This is world order stuff, people. I mean, I'm not happy about it. It doesn't make me feel very good. So again, this euro sterling, it didn't really rally. It didn't really reverse that much. I think it's a pullback. I think it's safe to buy. I think they still got rabbits out of their hat. They're going to bail Greece out. They already said it. Now, it's a week late already, and they're hammering it out. But Merkel apparently giving in to this commission late in the day. Now, as we know, it's really, she's not in control of the Free Democratic Party. She wanted to lever up the ESFS. But it was her top in command at the Free Democratic Party said no. So she's really not even in control. But it's a good thing. And Sarkozy's deal, it's never going to go through. I don't see how the French are going to agree to be the only ones that are going to put this bank tax. It's going to kill Credit Agricole. Aussie. Hammer time. Touch the EMA. Oh, baby. Look at that. I think it's a BOP, buy on pullback. It's not over. And if the futures come on and we rally, Aussie takes out this resistance spot to the moon. Listen, we know it's gone, like the wind. Gone. This thing could pull back to 104 and it would still be a buy. Thank goodness it came back. Fighting day today. Wasn't easy. Look at the 5-minute chart in the Aussie. It was not easy holding on. And I'll tell you what, when the S&P's made new lows, this was the go sign, really. And if a little trick in the trade, you freebies get something from me. Notice today, S&P's made new lows, Aussie did not. That was the go sign. Get long. Back. When are you people going to continue to trade in the dark? When are you going to try my product? Try my service. You're trading in the dark. You don't know what's going on. I do. Not all the time. Today was a joke. But again, we look at this euro-dollar chart. Talk about nice head and shoulders. Hell yeah. Do I think we're going to pop up to hit tonight? Absolutely. Can we break this level? I don't think we do. This is a monster level, though. Should we hold here? This whole 130.60. Huge. That's your stop. We hold that, I still think we're talking about 133. Hey, Goldman's got a 138 target. So my 136 target still looks good. Channel line hold here, possibly. Channel line hold here. We got multiple spots for support. That's a nice one. 130.60. So 130 is even lining up as big. So you look at this euro dollar. Daily chart. Yeah, we got some numbers coming out in Asia tonight. A little bit. Manufacturing PMI, household spending, and unemployment rate out of Japan. No real big deal there. Australian business confidence. Industrial production out of Japan. That's all early, relatively. German retail sales tonight. That's interesting. French consumer spending and German unemployment supposed to be negative 8,000. Net lending out of London. Mortgage approvals. Those numbers should continue to be in line. But German retail sales, I'm very curious if they're going to rebound from last month's negative 1%. It's more the summit. That's the ticket. Now, the euro with euro sterling so weak did not do very well today. Other currencies did much better. The pound looks a lot different, but we held previous day low. Just about took it out, but not really. And again, that 130.60 level, 50 level, we see catching up to the EMA, but we're crossing. And that is bullish. And we are pulling back. We have not broken any real major support in this move in the euro to think it's not going to continue. Again, I'm a bear. I'm just looking for better entry on the downside. Oh, baby. Euro yen, terrible day. Closing terrible. It was at par 50, and we basically stayed away until par-ish. But didn't really get a pop. Dollar yen sucks. Interest rate differentials, as we said. Continue to play in the yen. Hopefully stayed away. If not, got short. Yens are a nice buy. Dollar yen was a nice short. Rolling over. I think, if anything, you hedge yourself. I mean, this looks like it's going to come in more. Certainly down maybe 99.50 level, 60 level. Closing terrible. But again, we look at this dollar yen. Breaking lower. Ever since. Hello. Shooting star. Bearish engulfing. Continuation. Oh, not good. This thing is really looking Betty bad. Bad. It's a Terrible looking chart. You need to stay away from the yens. If anything gets short. Bond yields are collapsing in the United States. We are going lower. I don't have the guts and the glory to do it. I'd rather just look to be short the dollar. Dollar Swiss had a nice little pop today, but I think that fades and you sell it. Any pop. As long as we don't clear 92.50, I still think it's a nice short, even previous day high. Listen, it's oversold. It was due for a bounce. And we could easily pop up to here, and it would still be a short, 93. But I think the S&P's come back. I think the S&P survived the onslaught. Look at the daily, nice little hammer time. Should we take out 1320 to the moon, Alice? Fly me to the moon. Gold held up fairly well. A little bit of a hanging man. Don't really love that, but it did hold. I think gold makes its retest of 117, touches the EMA. But another one, it's broken out. And again, you had Commitment to Traders report, CFTC reporting, everyone's piling into metals. It was due for a pullback. We've had a big run. This is a healthy retracement. I can't believe I'm saying this. I'm going to be sick. Sterling, hanging man, relative strength winner with Euro Sterling so weak. I think, cable could be a nice short tonight. As long as we don't take out 57.50. Certainly a short. It's not going to be an easy night. But remember, they're saying now coming days when it comes to Greece, so I don't expect anything good to come out tonight in Greece. I just think maybe the German numbers will be good. Look at this Euro Canada. Nice reversal. Maybe look to sell on A strength. But again, I don't trust this. I think we might have some good news to come out tonight. Aussie dollar. S&P came back nice. Aussie dollar touched the moving average. We let it rip, and we're going to fly. And I'm not so sure how the London numbers, we got GfK consumer confidence in Asia. I guess the household spending number in Japan. Maybe. By 2060, Japanese population will be down by 30%. Thought you'd like that. Interesting. Kiwi. Actually looks pretty tired. Looks pretty tired, doesn't it? Certainly as a hedge, certainly could be a nice short, Kiwi. Pull in, but you know what? Again, I'd rather be looking to be a buy on pullback for a turnaround Tuesday. Maybe the S&P double bottoms. Certainly wasn't thrilled the way everything closed. I would like to have seen a much better close, but I think the key tonight is going to be the S&Ps. If the futures are up, I think we come right back. I think I'm forgetting one. Which one am I forgetting? That's it. Take a look at crude. We haven't looked at crude in a while. Looks like it's rolling over, but again, to me, it's holding, pennant, ready to explode. Iran, of course. But I think the key again, when you take a look at the euro hourly chart, I think we have a nice little head and shoulders pattern here. I can see us popping up nicely up to here. As long as we hold this. We break through today's lows, all bets are off. Absolutely. But I think we certainly could pop up 3190-ish. And then let's see if we come back down and we, retest. But I think the S&Ps are going to be key. German numbers are going to be key. Any news tonight is going to be key. So I think you really got to focus on any news because good news comes out, we're going to rip. Bad news, we're going to come in. We're still in a downtrend channel in the S&P. Got to clear through 1318, last night's high when we opened, right around here. We could get through there, we're gone. And then we're talking. And again, look at the Aussie hourly chart. That's Aussie Kiwi. I think that's a short. But right now it looks like it's going higher. Look at this Aussie. I see no reason why this baby doesn't make a run. We got big time resistance around here. Should we take this out? Bang. But that'll be the key. Can we break out? Can we take out the open? Can we take our previous day high? Break it down to break it out. All right, so again, I'm looking to buy on pullback. I could see us making retests. I think it's going to be more of the same difficult night. We're probably going to be heavy. Should we have any good news, off to the races. No news, I think we drift back and forth. Maybe the euro comes in and retests. Maybe we push up first, come in. But I think that you want to be very careful. We see hanging men across the board. And even look at cable on the hourly. Still looking head and shoulderish. I like that word. Very head and shoulderish. So we could pop up. Should we take back down this 56.50? Big trouble. Cable could come in nicely. But we come in, we take this level out here. Cable, we could be talking 55.50 easy. Should we make a run, and then we're gone? Like the wind. To the moon house. But that's it. All right, people. Wow, got done in 16 minutes. News-driven market. We're not going down big. We're probably not going up big tonight. Back and forth. Andrew Spanton. Info at globalfxllc.com. What are you people waiting for? Try my product. Oh, baby. What a fighting day. Gotta love it. Andrew Spanton, Global Markets Radio, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money. Have a good night.